guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm actually going to be doing like an unboxing and going through some of these products I got from Grove Collaborative. If you don't know what Grove Collaborative is, it's basically an online retail store where you can buy green, clean cleaning products or baby items or deodorants, like that kind of stuff. So they're all about having non-toxic items, which I never honestly really gave much thought to until I had my own home, and then especially once I got our puppy Ro. I heard about Grove Collaborative. Actually, I think it was like a Facebook ad, so way to go Facebook. So Grove Collaborative, your Facebook ads do bring attention to people. And basically, so it was kind of like someone's blog or something. They're like, oh, if you buy this, you'll get like 6 Meyer's products for free. When you get this free deal, you also sign up for a free trial. Lots of free going on, aka scary. A free trial of their VIP membership. So their VIP membership means that you get free shipping, free returns. They send you free products sometimes. You get deals, the 60-day free trial that you have, but you can cancel it anytime. So basically, if I forget to cancel it, I'll get charged $20, and it's a $20 a year membership. Though I was hesitant because I've seen some people say that when they try to cancel their subscription, it's basically like a rabbit hole and they can't get to where they can cancel it. And then they're screwed and they're stuck with the membership, but they have to pay the $20 for the year. For all the bad reviews, I also heard amazing reviews from people saying that like this is the best way to get clean products for your home. It's fast, it's the fastest, it's the cheapest, and that they love working with the company. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. All right, so at the top we have some Grove Collaborative Walnut and Cellulose Scrubber Sponge. It's a 2-pack and it's remade from renewable plants. Okay, so this is basically going to be replacing our typical sponges we use. And it says it's perfect for cookware, glassware, countertops, and appliances, and it's top rack dishwasher safe, which I really love. And FYI, this was one of my free products, part of my free kit. Another free product I got was super cute kitchen towel. It's a Cornflower blue Grove Collaborative kitchen towel. It's 100% cotton. It's durable, absorbent, and endlessly versatile. Do I say that right? Probably not. And this is machine washable as well. So I love anything that can be machine washed or dishwasher washed. Just because it just makes it so much easier. Okay, so look how cute. This is so cute. So it has a really like sweet, simple farmhouse feel to it. The feeling of it's very, very thick. I can tell it's going to be absorbent. Okay, I'm just going to pick something random. Okay, so this is something I did buy. It's the 7th generation disinfectant spray. It kills 99.99% of bacteria and viruses, and no rinse is required, even on food contact surfaces. That is awesome. So this is based on, I always say this wrong, thyme oil? T-H-Y-M-E? Thyme oil? I know that Y. No, thyme. I think it's thyme oil. This would replace your typical Lysol disinfectant that is full of chemicals, and this is just a clean version. I also bought some 7th generation disinfecting wipes. So it's the same idea in a wipe form, which these can come really in handy when you're wanting to do some like a very specific concentrated area. For instance, doorknobs, we forget about those, but those get covered in germs. So this is Meyer's Clean Days is the baking soda cream cleanser. So they have like a kit of 3, and it's like their cleansers for like stoves, stovetops, and that kind of stuff. I'll make sure I link everything down below if you want to get into this yourself and know exactly what I ordered. I can totally leave my order down below. So the scent I got is lemon verbena. But this baking soda cleanser is cream based, so it's scratch free. So it works nicely on sinks, stovetops, pots and pans. Didn't think of that one. Stainless steel, tile, tub, showers, and faucets. It's safe for septic systems and great for keeping your home fresh and clean. So let's just smell this one. Okay, it's like I wanted to go with more of like a typical clean smell, like lemon or anything like that. So it's like a typical clean lemon smell. So what went with that kit that I kind of already talked about is their dish soap, and this one cuts grease. So it has a little squirt top. You can like lift it up. And this is the same scent, so this is the lemon verbena. I think any of the Meyer's products I got, I did the lemon scent. It's made without parabens, phthalates, that's not right, MEA and DEA glycol solvents, chlorine and formaldehyde, and artificial colors. So this is the same scent, so part of this kit. And then the third Meyer's product that I got as part of this trio. So this is the Meyer's Clean Day Vinegar Gel No Rinse Cleanser. So this is good. This does not have to rinse. And this is tough on water stains. So they say that the best thing for this is for stainless steel appliances, showers, tubs, tile, and glassware. And it's to remove hard water stains or soap residue, or for general cleanup around the home. And this one you can apply straight to it, but this one you do not have to rinse, which I really like. Okay, so I also got some Bonamy. Sorry if I really butcher all these. This is a powder cleanser, and this is amazing. If you have not used a powder cleanser, we've actually used this before ever trying Grove. I didn't really realize that it was clean, to be honest. But anyway, when you have pans that have like almost like burn marks on the bottom of them, or tubs with the pink ring around it, you know, anything that's like really hard to scrub and get out, if you sprinkle some of this powder, you just sprinkle it on there and you let it sit, and then you scrub it and clean and rinse it away, it can get off almost every single bit of like residue on any pan. And that's pans that have kind of sat for a while, or ones that just like happen to stain very easily. All right, so now I know I got a couple Meyer's hand soaps. So this one is the Honeysuckle scent hand soap with olive oil and aloe vera. And we were completely out of hand soaps. I always use Bath and Body Works hand soaps, but I know those are full of chemicals, but I love the smell of them. So I hope I like this one. Oh my gosh. Y'all, Honeysuckle. That is like the best spring summer scent ever. I don't know how to use hand soap, I hope. And this is another Meyer's hand soap, and this one is a lavender scent. Let's smell this one. Not as much as my favorite as the other one. It still smells good. I mean, I like the smell of lavender, but it has like another scent with it. I can't. It is pretty relaxing though, I have to say. But these, yes, this is another Meyer's Clean Day hand soap. Ooh, and then this is a Meyer's hand lotion. And I got the scent Geranium. So let's smell this one. Oh my gosh, that smells good. I actually need some lotion. Oh, hello. And this one is made with shea butter and almond oil. So let's go ahead and put a little on the back of my hand just to kind of test it out. Hopefully a little. Okay, or a lot. That works too. That smells really good. I like Geranium. I think Honeysuckle is my favorite scent so far from Meyer's. All right, what is this? Okay, and then I did get this hand soap by 7th Generation. And I believe, I don't remember if this one was one of the free ones or not. I don't think it was, but it came, I think this one came in a kit as well. But this one washes away bacteria, and it's fresh lemon and tea tree scent. Next up is the Meyer's Room Freshener, and this is the lavender scent. Darn it, I got lavender. Let's see how it is. Do I just spray it? Okay. I'm not a huge fan of the lavender scent. It's okay. I can deal with it. Spritz in any room for instant refreshing. Avoid spraying directly on finished wood surfaces. Good to know. So do not spray this directly on finished wood surfaces. But this will be good for like Rogue's kennel, just spraying around it just to eliminate any kind of odors that come from there, because he's a puppy, and just spritzing around where I have carpet and then furniture. So I definitely think I'll be using this a lot. Okay, now we're getting into some of the bathroom cleaners. This is the Method Antibacteria Bathroom Cleaner. It's a spearmint scent. As long as it doesn't smell like diarrhea, I'm cool with it in the bathroom, because we already got that smell in the bathroom, if you know what I'm saying. So this is good for bathroom surfaces, sinks and fixtures, tubs, glazed tile, and toilet seats. It says do not use on natural stone, brass, or varnished wood. And it's for all other surfaces to test it out. All right, so this is the Meyer's Multi-Surface Everyday Cleanser, and it removes dirt and freshens surfaces. And this is the lemon scent that I've already smelled. Let's see. So this one is good for wood and tile floors. Oh, that's good. So you can use this on your floors. Countertops, walls, porcelain, bathroom fixtures, sealed stone, and granite. This is the Glass Cleanser by Meyer. So for all your mirrors in your house, which if you have a 90s house like us, you also have mirror closets. So that is going to come in handy. And this will also be good for windows, which we have dog lick marks on like all of our bottom windows by our door. So cool. Okay, this is the Meyer's Tub and Tile Cleaner. So I got this mainly for like our shower and everything. Okay, and then this is the Method Daily Shower Naturally Derived Shower Cleanser, and this is eucalyptus mint as well. So this is something I'm really excited about. What this is you basically every time after you shower, you spray this all over, and it just helps to clean without you having to rinse it off or anything. I want to say Lysol, someone else makes a product like this that's not green and not clean, but this will basically help to prevent your shower from getting like super gross before you have to do a deep clean. So it's kind of like a daily cleanser in between your deep cleans. It dissolves and prevents soap scum without leaving you a moment's worried about creepy residues. We're almost at the bottom. This is the second to last product in here. This is the Grove Hand Sanitizer Spray, and it is the scent Blood Orange with moisturizing coconut oil. So hand sanitizer is horrible for your skin, horrible for your hands, but I'm like addicted to it. I use it all the time because I hate when you go to like a public restroom and they're out of soap or they're out of paper towels and you just feel gross, or sometimes I even wash my hands and then use hand sanitizer in the car, or you know, you're running around, you're grabbing something to eat and you were just in Walmart, you know, and you don't have a sink or anything near you. It's great to have hand sanitizer. So this eliminates 99.9% of germs. Directions: shake well, spray into palms, and rub hands together. So let's try this out. Smells good. It smells like oranges. Your hands feels actually kind of moisturized because of the coconut oil. Very nice. All right, last up, this was one of my free products, and this is the Fog Gray Grove Apron. All right, so let's check this out. Cute. I love this color. I love gray. Anyone else? Okay, so I have on my apron. Just wanted to try it out. Do I look like a housewife yet? But yeah, it's really cute. It's comfy. It's a basic apron, but it's really cool. It also has this little pocket here, so you can stick cleaning supplies in there or cooking supplies or whatever you're gonna use it for. But yeah, I really like it. It's cute. Okay guys, that was it. That is all the products that I bought from Grove Collaborative. Half of it was free, I would say, because of the free Meyer's kit. But it's basically a page and a half of products and $50, and I basically get to start over with cleaning products in my home. If you were like me and you did not have clean products in your home before watching this video, don't feel intimidated by this. Don't feel like you have to throw away everything you bought. My suggestion is that you use up what you have, and then as you run out of a dirty cleaning product, replace it with one. Anyway, if you guys plan on trying out Grove Collaborative, or you have below and you have good or bad feedback, leave me a comment so that I can hear from you. And also, if you're interested in signing up, I will leave a link below where you can get some free products yourself. So as always, I will leave some kind of update in the information below on how easy it was for me to figure out how to cancel my VIP subscription, which I'm not sure if I'm actually going to cancel it. I just want to see if I can find out how to. That is it. I will see you guys next time. Please make sure before you leave, you go ahead and pause this video and hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.